This is for documentation purposes. I'm the guy's trying to frame me.
Thanks a lot. Now here's some life and death. Today, we're dealing with the circle of life. Snake. Babies, ran over, still moving. I just killed it, smashed its head in with a rock because it's torn to bits. That is a baby snake. These are all snakes, just filled full of baby snakes. Hey, I always thought they came in eggs. Huh? You learn something new every day. That is life. And that snake is still moving, even though I smashed its head flat. Big cool. Alright, this today's news. There's a lot more about people than I do. So I like to go and find things that accurately represent what God said about certain people and about certain men. So today we're at 2 Timothy 3. And we're going to go through it because the local narc, Catfish Corners, decided to state that I'd ripped apart a snake, ripped all its babies out, and killed it in a veiled threat against him. When in fact it's very clear on the video that I state that it was ran over, and what I did was a mercy killing because the snake was ripped apart and all the babies were everywhere, dead. So there was no saving this snake, there was only putting it out of its misery. And I don't need to make veiled threats to the local narc because I've already offered him a bare-knuckle fight on a paid YouTube channel, and he refused it because he likes to hide behind women's skirts. He likes to give out the fighting words, but then he runs away like a little narc.
All right. So this goes on daily, documented, time-stamped and shit. I didn't hear anything, but he crushed it with his fucking rock and was pointing out the babies are dead. That was the video that you just watched. I didn't have much to go off of. If it got ran over by a fucking car, that's what it is. But yeah, that wasn't stated, was it? And you heard in his own words how he keeps threatening me because he can't prove me wrong. And he keeps twisting shit. It's fucking nuts. And yeah, I have to document it because these are actual physical fucking threats by another YouTuber that YouTube refuses to do anything about. Even though I make videos and everybody reports him for animal cruelty, he sure as hell didn't state anything about it being run over there. He was all happy to show you life and death, and he crushed its head with a rock. That's what I heard.